Are you ready to strengthen your lower back and unleash your full potential? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to our exciting video on how to get a strong lower back, where we'll unlock the secrets to building a resilient and powerful core. To strengthen your lower back, consider incorporating these 6 exercises and practices into your fitness routine. Number 1. Deadlifts. Deadlifts are a compound exercise that engage multiple muscle groups, including the lower back. Proper form and technique are crucial, so it's advisable to work with a qualified trainer to ensure you perform deadlifts safely and effectively. This exercise primarily targets the muscles in the posterior chain, including the lower back, glutes, and hamstrings. By performing deadlifts with proper form and technique, you can strengthen and stabilize the muscles in your lower back, promoting better spinal alignment and reducing the risk of injury. Stronger lower back muscles provide greater support and stability, potentially alleviating lower back pain. Number 2. Back extensions. Back extensions target the muscles in your lower back. You can perform this exercise on a stability ball, Roman chair, or using body weight only. Start with a moderate number of repetitions and gradually increase as your strength improves. By performing this exercise, you engage and strengthen the erector spinae muscles, which run alongside the spine. Strengthening these muscles helps improve posture, spinal stability, and overall lower back strength. With regular practice, back extensions can help alleviate lower back pain by reducing muscle imbalances and promoting better alignment. Number 3. Planks. Planks are a core strengthening exercise that engage the muscles in your abs, back, and glutes. Begin by holding a plank position for 30 seconds and gradually increase the duration as you progress. Planks are an excellent exercise for strengthening the core muscles, including the muscles in the lower back. A strong core provides support and stability to the spine, relieving pressure and stress on the lower back. By practicing planks, you engage the deep abdominal muscles and the muscles that surround the spine, helping to improve overall spinal stability and reducing the risk of lower back pain. Number 4. Bird dogs. This exercise targets both your lower back and abdominal muscles. Start on your hands and knees, then extend your right arm forward while simultaneously extending your left leg backward. Alternate sides for a set number of repetitions. By extending one arm and the opposite leg while maintaining a stable core, you engage the muscles responsible for spinal stability and balance. Regular practice of bird dogs can improve coordination, strengthen the lower back, and enhance overall core strength, leading to reduced lower back pain. Number 5. Yoga and Pilates. These practices often incorporate exercises that strengthen the core and improve flexibility, which indirectly benefit the lower back. Moves like cat-cow, child's pose, and cobra pose can specifically target the lower back area, improve spinal mobility, and enhance overall body alignment. Yoga and Pilates often incorporate exercises that focus on core strength, flexibility, and body awareness. Number 6. Proper posture and ergonomics. Maintaining good posture throughout the day, especially while sitting or lifting heavy objects, is essential for a strong lower back. Use ergonomic chairs, adjust your workspace to promote good posture, and lift heavy objects with your legs, not your back. By sitting and standing with proper alignment, you distribute the load evenly on the spine and surrounding muscles, reducing the strain on the lower back. Developing a strong lower back is crucial for preventing and reducing lower back pain. By understanding the underlying factors contributing to lower back pain and addressing them through targeted exercises, individuals can experience significant improvements in their overall well-being. By incorporating these exercises and practices into your routine, you can strengthen the muscles supporting your lower back, improve posture, enhance spinal stability, and increase flexibility. These benefits collectively contribute to reducing lower back pain and promoting a stronger, healthier lower back. It's essential to start slowly, listen to your body, and seek guidance from a healthcare professional or certified trainer to ensure proper form and technique. For those seeking a structured and science-based approach, programs like Built with Science are recommended to guide you towards building a strong lower back and achieving your desired fitness goals. By incorporating these principles and exercises into your routine, you can take proactive steps towards improving your lower back strength, and ultimately enhancing your overall quality of life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel, and hit that bell button for more tips on back pain support. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.